Well, this piston looks new. I think somebody installed it incorrectly. When I pulled it out, all the rings, the gap had lined up straight up and down, and I do believe that's why I was having little puffs of oil, some burning of oil. I straightened the rings out, and then I was like, you know what? We know what we need to do here. This motor with this piston is 8.5 to 1 stock, and with this, it's like 10.5 to 1. Still runs on pump gas, but that's where your compression comes into play. It's your stock piston, it's a flat top, and then you have a dome top. So for the $150, whatever it costs, and you have a motor down this far, and I will embarrassingly admit, for my second time, I should have done this from the get-go, because originally this ATV had bent valves. Somebody had put it back together incorrectly. Probably when they put that piston in, it bent the valves. I put new valves, put it back together, and it was burning a little oil. At first it wasn't, but after I ran it really hard, just a little bit, enough to be annoying. I like all of my stuff being pristine. So we're going to put this piston in, and then I'll do a follow-up video of how it runs. I'm not gonna do a full install on this. These engines are very common. The 4-valve air-cooled Hondas are practically all the same. The 350X had this motor. This is practically where the 400EX platform kind of was developed off of, and it's just pretty simple. So I'm gonna get this in, and then hopefully we can make some time and take this bad boy out for a ride. So we are making really good progress. I've worked on these motors a lot, so it happens kind of quick these days. Your timing marks, let's get past here. There is a notch, whoa. Looking by the chain on each side, you can see a notch, okay? Cam lobes are always facing down on top dead center. Right here, 17mm socket. You can see right in that hole, your T-mark for top dead center. Also, if you don't believe any of those things are correct, you can feel through the spark plug hole, feel the top of your piston. And that is one step closer to running. So we are going to put a little bit of Loctite on these small bolts right here. It's just good practice. These are spinning a bath of oil pretty much off the chain. Right there. And then we'll get these torqued down, and then a little bit of silicone around here. Your head stud nuts and bolts, 33 foot-pounds of torque. And then all of these, I just do them hand tight. Running soon.